The reason you're watching this video is because you have some kind of knowledge that you want to take, package, and monetize online as a digital product. And if that's you, you're watching the right video. My name is Zevi. I was able to do the exact same thing. And over the past year and change, I was able to monetize my knowledge, sell it as a digital product for over $34,000 and counting. And in this video, I want to recreate the steps so you know exactly where I got started and why. You can follow along and do the exact same thing. And if anytime you want more, check out the link in the description to the Profitable Creators Club. So with that, let's dive right into this video. The reason I was able to do what I did and sell my knowledge is because I had a skill set, okay? And this is very important. You gotta have something that you're already good at, something that you've already learned, something that you want to share with the general public, that you could literally package today, talk about it online, and have other people gravitate towards you because they want to learn more. That is the premise of it, all right? The skill, the knowledge, what do you know? What do other people ask you about all the time? There's something that you love talking about, and you don't have to be a master at it. Think about it for a moment. It's a lot easier for me to learn from somebody who is maybe a 6 or a 7 than somebody who's like a 10, because the way they explain things to me would be a lot simpler. It would be easier for me to understand. People love learning from other people who have already gone through, and they might have not even finished yet, but they're like a couple steps ahead of them. And that might be you, and therefore you would be the perfect person to create that digital product and talk about it. Now, there's something I want to share with you. You might hear a ton of videos out there, people talking about, yeah, I've made so much money from just selling an ebook for $7. There's something called a value ladder. And it's okay if you want to get people into your world with a $7 offer. I'm not against it, but that couldn't be your flagship offer. And the reason being is my skill set is lending. I've had a mortgage company since 2016, all right? And I was talking about residential and commercial loans. So when I offered my skill for sale, my package of just literally having the course that I've created delivered to you was right around $895. Think about that for a moment, right? That's not a $7 offer. Now, again, I'm not saying that I couldn't have a teaser offer just to bring people into my world with like $7. At least they took out their wallet and they paid for something, which makes them, you know, a candidate for potentially buying something more. But my average cart value today, right, and I've only been doing this for about 1.5 years now, is approximately $745. That means that I was able to sell an average cart value, an average checkout of $745, and that's how I was able to make over $30,000 over a period of about 1.5 years today and counting. So my point in all this is that the most expensive thing that you can sell today is your knowledge, not something that you just Google online or have AI create, which you know nothing about. I know a lot of those videos exist. There's a lot of gurus out there who randomly pop up and they want you to buy their $7 offer so you can create a $7 offer. But let me assure you this best works around what you already know. Let's talk about how we get this in front of other people. Okay, now believe this or not, it took me about 9 months to put together a very comprehensive course, something that I could be legitimately proud of, that when I delivered it to somebody and they checked out and paid $895, I would have absolutely no doubt in my mind that they're getting 10 times the value that they are paying me. And the reason is, in lending, when somebody takes a processing fee, when they just literally start the transaction, that's $1,500. If my course was $897, that's almost double the price, not including their actual origination, the money that they make for doing the deal. I felt really, really good, actually way below market, for offering my knowledge for that type of a price, because realistically, my offer should be somewhere between $1,500 to $2,000. And the beautiful part about it, when you sell your knowledge, there's other opportunities, right? You could sell it as a static course. You could sell it as a membership, which is what the Profitable Creators Club is. You could literally go in there, see all the modules of how I'm putting all these things together. And then I show up once every week or so to answer questions. That's a lot of value to offer somebody who's just getting started on their journey, all right? And so how do we get whatever it is that we're about to sell in front of other people like yourself who might be interested in? Well, the thing is, we do have to post content, all right? And just like I said, YouTube is a very strong search engine, just like Google, right? It's actually owned by Google. So if somebody doesn't want to read and they actually want to see a visual of how you do the thing, they're going to literally type in how to, and then they're going to get that video. Similar to, more than likely, what you did here, right? You probably typed in how to monetize online, how to sell my digital product, how to make money selling my knowledge. Bam, video popped up. The more videos you have up, the more likely your content is to rank. And that basically means that Google has rated your content and it's like, yeah, this guy puts out relevant content. So we're gonna push it to other people who are interested in, because a bunch of other people already gave it a thumbs up, subscribe, did all that, right? Hopefully you're doing that for me. It doesn't cost you anything and it does help the video. It helps take this content and put it in front of other people like you who are looking for it, all right? So please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. But the idea is for YouTube to say your content is relevant, to take it, put it in front of other people like you who are looking for that information. And then ultimately, if they're interested in what you have to say, they're gonna wanna learn more. And what happens is, just like, you know, I told you in the description of this video, there's a link to the Profitable Creators Club. You're gonna have your own link. And what that is, it allows the viewer to learn more about you and to literally dive into your universe. Because the thing is, most people that are gonna meet you the first time, they're not gonna buy from you because they don't know nothing about you. There's no trust that was built yet. They haven't watched enough videos, right? They gotta get something from you, which is where we're going next. So YouTube to link in description, right? So now, what is this link in the description and how does it bring that viewer into our world is what I want to talk to you about next. All right, so we talked about literally posting content, having YouTube deliver our relevant content to the viewer, and then they're gonna check us out. Hopefully they like what we had to say. They're gonna click the link in the description, and then what happens next? The idea here, which is our number 3, is to take the viewer from literally a viewer to a prospect. And the way we're able to do that is we want to own our traffic, because if YouTube shuts it down tomorrow, we at least have an email list of all the people that express interest in learning more about whatever it is that we were talking about. So the way we're able to do that is by offering some kind of a freebie, which is also available for you in the description of this video. I literally have a freebie that walks you through this whole format. All you got to do is put in your name and your email. And what I did right now is also called a call to action. You're literally telling your audience, hey guys, if you're interested in what's going on here, there's more, check it out, just put in your name and email. When that happens, you automatically get that freebie sent to your email address. But for the creator, what it does is it creates a list, all right? And that list is the email list that automatically gets drip campaigned over a period of a week, 2 weeks, a month, a few months, right? And it delivers more value to the viewer. And at the same time, it brings them back to the offer, whatever the offer might be, right? Remember, we talked about the Profitable Creator Club, which is available via link in the description. It's a membership. And so that is my offer. Your offer could be a course, could be a membership, could be an ebook, could be anything, right? Just to get started. Once you get people back to your offer, then small group of the viewers, right? I don't know, maybe 3 or 5% would actually be interested to learn more about the thing. And if they see that you're actually making money with it, all right, and you're successful in it, what better way is there to learn from somebody who's already doing it, who's already 5-6 steps ahead of you, who's already made the mistakes and can tell you, hey, don't do this, but this will literally speed things up so much for you, okay? And the reason I was able to do that is exactly what I did. I turned viewers into prospects. My prospects wanted to learn more. They actually joined my list. And then in my case, it was literally the first module of my course. They liked it and they decided to literally, once they started getting my emails, over a period of a week to maybe a month, they said, you know what, we've heard enough, we're interested and we want to go ahead and purchase this course. And that's exactly what happened. The list brought them back to the offer, which was the actual course, and they purchased it. And this is how I continue to make money by selling my digital product, my course, online. And Profitable Creators is all about my journey, teaching you how you could learn to do the exact same thing, okay? So hopefully this video delivers a little bit of value to you. Hopefully it shows you exactly the steps that I took. Again, if you want to see the visual, the modules are all available for you in the Profitable Creators Club. Make sure to check it out. There's also a freebie down there that can walk you through kind of everything that we've discussed here today. Slightly different. There's a couple approaches that I take that I would like to teach to you, and I will share more in other videos, all right? I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you for watching this. You could totally do this. Just get started. You know, a little bit messy in the beginning, but you do refine as you go forward. You're not gonna know everything, so just start. Okay, guys, this is all I got. I appreciate you for being here. Thanks for checking this out, and I'll catch you on the next video.